In this video, you'll learn how to link to a CMS page in Webflow. By following these steps, you will be able to create functional links that direct users to your content management system pages. Begin by navigating to the Webflow project you wish to edit. You can do this by visiting the Webflow site and selecting your project, which is referred to as the Marveleur shop in this example. Ensure that you are logged into your Webflow account to access your projects. Next, identify and click on the button you have prepared for linking. This button will serve as the interactive element that users will click to navigate to the CMS page. It is essential to ensure that the button is already positioned in your layout before proceeding. After that, find and click on the primary button link option within the button settings. This option allows you to define the action that occurs when users click the button. The interface will display a link settings panel where you can specify the destination of the link. Once this panel appears, click on Choose a Page to select the specific CMS page you want the button to link to. A list of available pages will populate, allowing you to easily find the desired CMS page within your project. Following this, scroll through the list and select the page where you want the button to link. It is crucial to ensure that you choose the correct page, as this will determine where users are directed upon clicking the button. Next, click on the Preview button located in the upper right corner of the Webflow Designer. This action allows you to see how the button functions in a live environment, giving you a chance to confirm that the link works correctly. Finally, once in preview mode, click on the button you configured. This action should take you directly to the CMS page you linked. If the page loads successfully, you've completed the linking process correctly. If there are issues, double check your steps to ensure everything is set up properly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.